Once upon a time, in a serene village, there was a shepherd boy who tended to his flock of sheep, enjoying the simplicity of life. He spent his days happily watching over the sheep.
Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create AI-powered videos in seconds. VideoGPT is the easiest way to bring your ideas to life. First, download VideoGPT from Play Store and open the app. Next, choose your style, tweak settings, and add music or voiceover. Type your video idea or script. The AI will generate scenes automatically. You can generate up to 3 videos per day using free plan. Also, free plan can only generate 30 seconds long only, nothing more. You can add background music, but it's limited.
Once upon a time, in a serene village, there was a shepherd boy who tended to his flock of sheep, enjoying the simplicity of life. He spent his days happily watching over, believing he was in danger, only to find him laughing at their expense. After several false alarms, the villagers grew tired of his tricks and warned him that one day he would truly need help, but he dismissed their concerns.
Now, after generating the video, we can tweak things up. You can add an extra scenes to your story. You can regenerate the image that you didn't like by changing the prompt of the image. You can add text to your story. You can trim your video. So now we can export our video to our phone storage.